Introducing the 2019 Volkswagen Polo 1.0 65B Trendline with all the bells and whistles you could want. This beauty in red comes fully loaded with top-notch features like Android Auto, CarPlay, Bluetooth, cruise control, and more. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. With a sleek design and added security features like privacy glass and spoiler, this Polo is sure to turn heads. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specs, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today.